morning, everyone. It is currently 9:37 a.m. I'm about ready to head over to my net games class. We have our final today. It's gonna be really easy. It's just like questions about the games we've been playing, so easy stuff. This is what is on the schedule for today. So I have my net games at 10, music history at 11. I'm getting camo pants for one of our costumes for movement with Bree, who's also in movement, orchestra at 3:10, and then movement at 8:30 tonight. Oh, and I also work from 5 to 6, but I didn't put it down. So yeah, I'm just heading over now. I had to leave earlier because Kylie is parked behind me and she isn't here, so I have to move her car in order to get to my car because we park in the same driveway. I guess I'll update you guys. Apparently it's supposed to snow today. Didn't know that. So I'm going to wear my turkey trot hat today. I also want to quickly show you that I put up this wooden garland that I had shown you guys the other day in our room to make it more festive. And then I also put up the ornaments up there to also add some festivities. And yes, I did write "'Tis the season to be freezing" because it's always freezing during the winter. It's now 10:10 and I just finished my test, so I'm gonna go park my car somewhere because I want to get a ticket and get coffee because I can this morning. See the snow because it's killing me. God. Oh God. This is like really hitting me in the face right now. Oh my gosh. Oh. It is 6:44. I don't think you can see that. Oh my goodness. 6:44. Okay. Anyway, we got these goodie bags from the library. This is like a little preview for yours, Madeline.
Oh really? Did you take mine or where
I left it there because I didn't know if I was allowed to take it or not.
Where are they?
They're in F-Pack with Julianne. Ah, I ripped it.
Oh really?
Yeah, okay. So this is what it's like on the front. Cute. A little haul for you. Let's do this. We got some crackers.
Some crack, yeah.
Pringles. Hot chocolate mix. Chex Mix. Are your hands cold?
No.
Cookies. Doritos. Gummies. Another crackers. A box of mac and cheese that I don't need because I've barely gotten through the second row of my other box of mac and cheese. Peanuts.
Yeah, hit me up.
M&Ms. Oh, I miss these kinds of M&Ms.
I love mini M&Ms.
And then a Rice Krispie treat. Yeah. That's all. Is she unboxing the Jeffree Star?
I want to see your spot stuff.
Hi y'all, right now it's 10:01. It's actually 8 degrees outside, I kid you not. 8 degrees, yep. And we just got done with movement. We were doing blocking today because we have our showcase on Saturday. And right now I'm off to go have some drinks with a friend so we can rant about life and just chat. It'll be exciting.